في أجمل الكتب.
Right here, I remember I just disconnect the cap to isolate the fan motor, but in the end, I don't think I recorded it, but I just shut off power. So, had the gentleman staying in this room on a portable. And that was about it. Okay, right here, I'm just checking the microfarads on the cap. It was a 5. Below rating, 4.3. Yep. Let's change it out. In hindsight, I actually should have checked the motor. So the cap was bad, but the motor is pretty much seized. Yeah, no bueno. So I think I remember what I was trying to do here. I think I was just checking the electrical, making sure there wasn't any burnt wires in this panel area. That could have been a dead giveaway of why the fan motor went out. So just doing normal checks, opening this up, taking a good look at the voltage to get it replaced properly. Also, this area for a nursing home was not too bad, although still inconvenient. I think I might have to upgrade some tools, get a 90, slap that thing on there, just in case I don't have space in the future. And here I am pulling the panel down, getting everything out of the way, just so I can have a good idea of how I'm gonna replace this motor. I'm just doing some extra checks just to make sure, getting a good look around, and that's about it. In the end, we did end up replacing this motor, but I don't think I got a recording of it. But just know that we did. Anyways, thanks for watching.